Hello beautiful people. In this video I'll show you how to make this air quality plus LPG gas leakage detection device using Raspberry Pi in very easy way. To begin with, I will design the frame using Tinkercad and later export to Cura Slicer. You can find the links in the description box below for the STL files. Now to build the circuit, you need Raspberry Pi Pico, MQ135 sensor module, 128x64 OLED screen and Edison LED filaments. While pressing the boot cell button and open Tony. Now follow the circuit diagram to build the connection between the components. Follow these steps to finish building this device. I have made the circuit as small as possible. If you still want to simplify the circuit, you can customize your PCB using this JLC PCB. If you don't have a 3D printer, you can find their budget-friendly 3D printing services too. Also, they have a fantastic platform called JL Cone, wherein you can find all JLC PCB and their services under one user interface. They have both desktop and mobile version application too. Here you can see that I have downloaded the desktop version and it is pretty much easy to find all their services under one screen. I have given sign up links in the description box below. By using my coupon code, you can avail awesome discount at your first order.